Hello.
Hey,
How's it going?
cold.
It's very
Snowing.
cold.
Yeah,
I think being from the Middle East, having weather -1, it's pretty cold. And outside, it's snowing so hard here in Berlin. So yeah,
yeah. We missed this temperature.
yeah, it's a good day to work on a weather app.
Yeah, we are live. We're waiting to see if anyone would join, and maybe like 4 minutes, and then we can start coding. How many? Yeah, we can see that. Yeah, we have a lot of viewers now, right?
Yeah, like always.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is the app from the last time. I think we stopped at the point that we want to parse the JSON file into a Kotlin data class, and then later use that data to have some kind of view model this time. I think we should touch the view model. I already saw some videos, and the Kotlin team actually did like a kind of a webinar explaining a lot of what we want to do.
Yeah,
Yeah, and also they encouraged me to use the new IDE Fleet. So today we're gonna try to see if that would work.
looks like VS Code.
Yeah, very much. Even the setting, when you go to the settings here, like,
Oh,
and you can also edit in JSON. So I don't
they,
know.
it's funny when like big corporation do copy pasting like this.
Yeah,
But this means that actually VS Code is a good idea, and
yeah,
although I hate it, but it seems they are doing something right.
yeah. Your internet is a bit laggy. I don't know if you feel it. Yeah, the
Yeah,
upstream is
maybe
a bit. Yeah,
sometimes it happens.
yeah. The weather, snow. Cool. Yeah. 2 more minutes. I already initialized like a Git. Maybe we can do initial commit.
Oh, we haven't done any Git since the beginning. Okay.
Yeah, we haven't initialized the Git repo. Now I did, so we have some status. We don't have a remote, but that's fine. But at least we have a local copy, like a local Git repo.
And why on your like be- in the window below it says like executing and still executing the
Yeah, this is
desktop?
because we have the running app. If I close this, it will finish.
Okay.
It's like we can run. I think there's like run and debug.
Hmm. And
Do you think?
was setting up the app similar to IntelliJ experience or easier or what?
Yeah, the same. I just opened the old app, and the only thing that I needed to add is I tried to get this desktop run from the Gradle commands. It didn't work, so I had to edit the configuration and add the new Gradle
Hmm.
command, and the task is the same old one: compose app run, and then
I
yeah, we
think
can
it's
run.
an issue with the template itself because it
Yeah,
should be like defined or it should work on its own, but
yeah.
yeah.
It managed to get the iOS and the Android automatically. You see,
Mhm.
compose app. Do you think this is the desktop? Which I think, yeah. Look,
Okay.
so this one is a bit smarter. So we can actually, yeah, I will delete this. We'll rely on Fleet. So we have, yeah, compose app, iOS app, and this another compose app, but this is the Android one.
Mm.
And we can debug and run. So this is a good sign that Fleet is smarter somehow.
Yeah, I see also that when you run it, it actually run in your main window, which is good because
Yeah, I
last
changed
time
the
you.
main window. Yeah, I
Mm.
changed the main window to be this one. I have like two screens. Sorry. So this screen is now the secondary one, and the desktop that I share is the main one. So it's gonna be easier for us to see the output.
Yeah, and I see also that in Fleet it adds these like gray commands like this coroutine scope, right?
It used to be also in the Android Studio, but maybe you
Ah,
didn't
really? I
notice.
didn't see it, or maybe I
Yeah,
didn't notice.
yeah,
I
yeah,
know that Android Studio has the usages, like in front of the functions, you can find the usages. If you click on, you see 6 usages above Fun app.
yeah. Here, yeah,
Yeah, so it's the same actually.
yeah. It's a very similar experience, but lighter. That's I would say, and faster. Cool. So yeah, let's just start. So we can have like we can do one of the following: either to have the JSON to be parsed. Maybe this is the easier one. So we want this JSON to be parsed into a class, data class, and then see how what we can do. And I know that okay, we will use this weather API, right?
Mhm.
So if we went to the real-time weather API and do you think one of the requests, like the object signature, is it the same as the one in the JSON here? This one, like this one, right?
I'm I'm
I
not
think
sure
so.
because I see it like in one line.
Y- y- Yeah,
The one in your app is like one line.
yeah. We can see again. Just to
If you
confirm. Yeah.
edit it, does it do auto reload, right? This is too much to ask.
No, no. Yeah, there's no auto reload. No. So, um, what can we do? So I found that there's like an AI.
Oh,
Okay. So we can say like write data class for this JSON and give it the JSON and see.
oh,
Yeah, maybe we don't need all of this, but let's see. And yeah, I like it. So we have the data class, which is the weather. That's good,
oh,
right?
and it added even the sub, like
Yeah,
the condition. Oh,
yeah,
nice.
which is good, right? Um, yeah, this is the first step. So the second step is that we need to configure the client to include the JSON conversion. And in order to do this, we need to install another plugin and a library, which is Kotlin serialization.
Mhm.
And the first thing is we need
And this is
to,
not built in because I thought that
yeah,
Kotlin serialization is built in Kotlin. Like,
no. So
mhm.
first we need to install the plugin. So we can go to the, there's like a toml file, library version, yeah, which has libraries and it could also have plugins, right? So we're gonna add then like a new one. We're gonna follow the same. So we're gonna call it like Kotlin. It should autocomplete realization, and this one will have the ID, which is this ID, and a version. And usually they do this version .ref. And I think this means we're gonna have like a version here. I think
Ah, yeah.
we use Kotlin, so we use the same version as Kotlin. So we have the plugin now, and then we need to apply the plugin. In order to apply the plugin,
It's called
um,
Seria. There is an
so
A.
yeah,
Yeah, serial, like ELA.
yeah, that's
Right.
easier. And then in the Gradle file, where's the main Gradle file? Um, in the plugins, would say alias libs.plugins.kotlin serialization. If there's small, is it small? It should be small. Yeah, and then apply. I'm just following whatever there, and
And why it's complaining?
yeah, we need to sync the
Ah, okay.
do a sync, but we also need the dependency So we also need a dependency. So this is what we need, and we can follow the same thing. So we're gonna have Kotlin serialization. It's not correct with the Z, right?
Yeah.
The module is this one, and the version reference would be also Kotlin. And let's see if the sync would succeed. Fleet couldn't auto-reload changes. So it seems like there's an error. And the details is
What?
plugin serialization version apply false was not found.
Why?
So
Is the version correct? 1.2?
maybe the error is this thing is not the one we need. There's another one here. So there's a Gradle for the whole project,
Okay.
right? This is necessary to avoid plugins to be loaded multiple times in each sub-project, correct? And this is not there, so the Kotlin serialization with the reference is there. So there's a problem found. Okay. These are the plugins, right? Compose, Android application, Android library, which matches what we have here. Compose, Android application, Android library. This is the same. Sorry, let's close this one. This is the same here. That's correct.
But when you added the other one, like the VM,
this is not correct. The ID is not correct. Wait. This is the ID.
okay.
Let's see. It might work this time.
Unresolved reference.
This is
serialization.
Yeah, this is the old one. But it's still working.
Yeah, it seems to be working.
Yeah.
And this is faster than IntelliJ one.
I don't know. Yeah, it does work. So we have the plugin and we have the library installed. So what we need to do is, I think there's like, okay, let's see how can we do this. So usually, yeah, you do install, and this install, it's part of the Ktor initialization. I just want to know where to put it. So is it like, does it have like a unit? Yeah, install, and then you say content negotiation. Let's see the example again. Yeah, content negotiation. No. And then you give it a JSON.
Or you register type?
So this is, wait, this is the example here. Yeah. So go ahead.
No, because I saw like they added serializable, and it doesn't seem to be it.
Not yet. We have to do this, but
you see, you need to apply and then the class. Yeah.
So this is how it is done. So in installation, so the HTTP client is actually like this, and then I think this should come from somewhere, right?
Yeah.
How
Ask
can
the
we?
AI, where should it come from? Where should we get content negotiation
Yeah,
from?
add JSON serialization. Hmm.
The one you got is Kotlin Multiplatform, multi-format, reflectionless serialization.
Yeah.
Is it
So
this one?
no, that's not correct. So we need to install and install take content negotiation. I saw this in Kitor JSON documentation. Yeah, this is the library. No, maybe we need this as well.
Too much. Too much.
Yeah,
Kotlin, yeah. It's Kotlin.serialize, Kotlin X.serialization, right? This is the one you are using?
yeah.
Okay.
I mean, if you look at the dependencies, yeah, Kotlin serialization, Kotlin X serialization. Yeah. So we install like a JSON feature and give it like this. But I saw the examples was so much easier and it's
Yeah.
simpler than
If
this.
you go to the repository itself, and there's guide. If you
Here,
go to,
look, see here. This is
yeah.
exactly what we need. So,
But
but
it's strange that, because like I don't know how to define the, yeah. So how does it know that it's the above class?
not yet, not yet. This is another part.
Okay.
But there's something missing. Required dependency. Yeah, this dependency is missing. Content negotiation. So we need to add this as well. So
No, wait.
no.
I want to send you some. I want to send you. Can you open this? Maybe it's just as simple as like, because it can be like you have something called like decode to strings, right? In
Yeah,
the,
but this is Kotlin X serialization library, and we want to integrate it with Kitor. So in order
yeah.
to
So
integrate with Kitor,
go to your code again. Go to your code. Just like, yeah. So here, like, response body as text, like you get this response body as text, and then you pass, you give it like
no,
open my, did you open my,
I know, it's different. There's a different way.
it's the
Like
code from string, and then you pass the class, and
I
then you
know,
add it doesn't work with multi-platform.
it worked, but there's like a different, an easier way, and I'm gonna show you. Just bear with me.
What you're doing doesn't seem easier, but okay.
Let's see, let's see. So what we need to add this content negotiation. Let's add it as part of the Kitor. Kitor content, whatever. And then the version is Kitor. And then we need to add this library in the common. We'll add it as like this one. Kitor content. And then reload.
So the install step, it's not done inside the class here. It shouldn't be here.
It is done in the client. So
In the client, so each
yeah,
time you instantiate a client, you need to install this.
yeah,
It's
it's like a plugin.
very
So this is not correct. Keytour content. Yeah, it is correct, right? Yeah. And now we should have, yeah, content negotiation, and then we should have, so this is the first part, mismatch inference. This is the, store it like this, yeah. And then you say JSON, which is coming from this one. We don't have this?
we don't have Kotlin X after all this.
We should. I mean, we added this Kotlin X serialization. We didn't add the implementation for it.
Okay.
libs.kotlin.serialization. Yeah, and we're gonna need to do another reload, and that should work. So we're gonna have something like this. Yeah. Couldn't auto reload changes. What is missing? Couldn't find Kotlin serialization 1.9.20. So let's double check again the library name. We need this one. Okay. It's different, right?
Yeah.
It's different. Okay.
It's yeah, I owed Kotlin X dash JSON. Yeah, this one. Yeah.
I don't know if this is correct.
Okay, look at my second link. Last
Yeah.
link.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, that is similar to what we did.
But
But
if you look at the dependencies, they have like a lot core, CIO, content
it's
negotiation.
different, right? This is like IO. Is it like an old version or something new? You see here, it's IO Keytour serialization Kotlin X.
Yeah.
But in the example, it's like Kotlin X serialization JSON. But also
dash JSON, right?
yeah, but there's also, maybe we can share this in the screen here. Yeah, you see, the imported this one, but also imported that one. So if we go to the root of this project example here, and the plugin and the configuration, so we need this one, which is what we added, right? I'll just revert again. So this one is Kotlin X Keytour serialization. So we can add it to this section here. Keytour serialization. It's serialization
Oh.
JSON. This is the one. And then we also need Kotlin X serialization, which is
It's not used here.
it's I think this is the one because no,
Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah.
maybe. So we add both of them. So now we have this one, Kotlin serialization, and we need this one as well. So I will add this one here. Implementation libs.keytour JSON serialization.json, and let's sync. No. So this one, this should come from Kitor, and this one should come from
Kotlin.
Kotlin X,
Ah,
not Kotlin.
okay.
That was
Oh,
fast. Did it fill? I don't know. Where's the error? You can. You can't find it. So what is the versions of this one?
1.0.4.
So this is the latest. Yeah, there's
1.61.
1.61. So the serialization, Kotlin X serialization 1.6.1. Yeah. So I'll use this as the version reference for this one.
And now, moment of truth.
I don't know why they don't have a similar to like npm install and this just get the library, right?
I didn't want to say this, like just not to hate Kotlin Multiplatform for those who are just starting with
I
it.
hate it already. But we're gonna give it
yeah.
a chance. Let's wait.
So it's working now. Good. Like you found the correct.
Yeah, let's see if it ends up well. So
so
the content negotiation,
okay.
and then JSON. Now this is another problem. Do you think this? Yeah, I'll try to see the auto import if this would work. No, and this doesn't like it, so it looks like we are importing something different. This is server, not client. Did we add the server, not the client? Let's see. It was in the Keytour JSON content in which, yeah, I think it should be client.
Okay.
Easy. Just switch it.
Very easy. Yeah.
But why the JSON is not available yet?
Okay, try to import now.
Okay, so we import this one. Yes, we have this fixed. And now, JSON.
No, JSON, we have it. Oh,
yes, we have it now. So finally, so we have now. Okay, so the trick is that I don't remember.
Do we need to add like this JSON pretty print and is lenient all this stuff? Or?
So there's a way to convert the object using the serialization thing, and I
You need
don't
to add
remember.
serializable. You see, there is
Yes.
so add it on top of
serializable. Maybe
Add, yeah.
yeah, maybe this one as well. And
Is there
and
a
now
space or okay?
and now we need to see how can we give it like the
In the example, they just add the type, like they type. You see, like
where
here, val customer. You see, they just like type
this
it,
one,
invert, like maybe just
and
invert.
then just body. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if we say like body,
No, no, don't return. No.
I know. Even if we return it, I think we could do this and say that it's a wither. No? A mismatch invert type, but string was expected.
Hmm. Did you add? Yeah, yeah. Because you see, you add it. You need to change the return type of the function.
Yeah, we can remove it. And now it's a unit. Yeah, so we need to add a wither. Yeah, now it works. So
Nice.
now we should have, yeah, now this is failing because this is like a string, and now actually it's not a string anymore. It's a wither, right?
Yeah.
So we can like create a wither class. No. And now here unresolved. Why it looks very weird like this?
Yeah, and it was trying to make it a string, still a string.
Okay, maybe it will work. So we have the wither now.
But you see, you have you also change it to string.
Where?
Catch. No, no, this is the error. Sorry, sorry. Yeah.
So I'm trying again. I will give this another chance in this editor, but I don't like it.
It's still in beta or alpha.
Yeah, and you see here, can we say like this is a null?
Can it be
And
nullable?
yeah, like this.
Nice.
And then, so in case of exception, what? This is like a return.
No idea, to be honest.
So null, and now
Null.
we have wither dot um, Tim C. That should be a string. It's a double, so to string. And this is because it might be
Nice. It has optional.
chaining. Yeah, it has
Yeah.
optional chaining as well.
Nice.
Let's see. Yeah,
It's Berlin, right?
yeah. Null.
Null.
Do
Nice.
you think it didn't know how to parse it?
I'm not sure because
We can debug.
it's giving null like
Okay, we can add a breakpoint and see if the debugging is actually working.
stop. And it didn't even stop.
No, it did.
Okay.
So we have a response. We can step, I don't know.
Step over, yes, step over.
We should actually wait here. Like, no. One more time. So we have this current weather, yeah. If we stop here, will it work?
No, you reloaded.
Ah, okay.
So it starts by null, you see, because you gave it null.
and then so whether exception, there's an exception.
Yeah.
Yeah. C log for exception. Please ensure class is marked as serializable. We did, right?
We did. Yeah.
So, okay. So we have a problem in the
It's funny
serialization
that you don't see the error. Like, why?
because we catch it. We have the exception, but we didn't do anything with it.
Hmm.
So it's
Okay.
our fault somehow. So yeah, what is the problem here? Is not applied to the module. Should not be processed. Okay, let's see what it's saying. Kotlin Core plugin is not applied to the module. Ah, really? So you remember this plugin here?
Hmm?
It should be applied, right? The problem is that it is not applied.
Apply true.
Maybe we put it here instead, like
Yeah, maybe.
here, and
Okay.
see if this will fix it. So for anyone seeing us right now, can you send us a message? Just we need to see if you are an actual person or a bot.
He
Okay.
scared one of them. So they
He
went
didn't
off.
hear the message. It was
Yeah.
it is delayed. So we have a build failure. Conditions, yeah, because we remove the conditions. I think this have to be serializable as well.
Do you need to reload or something because it still have the same message?
Like reload, yeah.
Ah, now it's gone.
Okay. Building. He's not a bot.
No, but maybe now.
Yeah, someone sent us that he is not a bot. Okay, what was okay, nice. I hope you are you're enjoying what you see. Debugging skills. We still have the problem, right?
Mm-hmm.
Re-import the project.
Sorry, again, there was an extra information and then it was quickly gone. Ah.
Processing. It was processing. Now it should work. Don't have the error anymore. But okay, let's look the error, right? Why we don't look the error? That should be yeah, the exception, right? So do you know how to log the error?
In Kotlin? No.
Yeah.
Can you just logger? Okay.
Logger, I think we use logger.
Yeah, logging. Yeah, use this one.
Which one?
E.print stack trace from the chat. Yeah, here it is. Second one. Second function.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
Sorry,
Okay.
we are coming from JavaScript, so you can imagine.
Yeah. We can do this very quickly using React Native, but we want to have more learning something new.
Encountered an unknown key location. Oh, so now it's actually parsing something. So it's okay.
Okay, so the problem now is that maybe the data object that we created is not correct.
It was built using AI, right?
Yeah.
So it says like location at path.
Okay.
So okay, you can use ignore unknown keys true in JSON.
Okay, so this is in the setup here.
Yeah.
Ignore.
You need to add JSON capital, J capital.
What?
JSON, yeah, last one in the list. Yes.
Where do you get this information from?
I'm the Kotlin magician, yeah.
No,
And then you pass it. No, you pass it an object, like the object notation, yeah, but without parentheses, without the first. Yeah, remove these two parentheses in
oh, you
JSON.
mean like this?
Yes,
Yeah,
yeah, and
yeah.
then write. Yeah, that is correct. Yeah, and then equal true. Yeah, try now. Stop. Yeah. And null again. Yeah.
Yeah, but let's see. The problem input fields are required for time. Ah, okay, I see. I see the problem. Because it's all required, and some data might be not available. So this is a problem.
We don't forget that we actually created this using the beautiful AI of Fleet.
Yeah. So
So
we shouldn't do this. Okay. Let's try with only the data that we need. So, for example, we need TimC for now. So forget all about this.
okay, and remove condition as well.
Yeah, we're gonna need it later.
But you have TempC in the right? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's see the API again. So the API, real-time API, we have TempC. Maybe the problem that the object is returned is not an actual, like a direct object. It's like an array or anything. So we need to try this out.
Do you have? Did you try actually? You can. There's an API Explorer, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So let's get the key. It's not secret.
Yeah, I was just about to say, like, to everybody who's watching, yeah, you can use the key. It's the free one. So.
Yeah, don't worry. Actually, there's a better option. We can get the object from the browser directly. I mean, it's a GET response, right? So this is the object, right? And if we look at the source, I hope it's a bit formatted now.
No, you need to install.
Yeah.
There's a plugin. There's an extension in Chrome to.
Yeah, I remember.
I'm sad that you don't have it.
Sorry.
Like.
We can. I remember I did have this one before.
So it's called listen.
Yeah, here you see. It just needs this
Nice.
not enabled. This is the only thing. So yeah.
Yes. So okay. So it's.
So it's current. So the problem
current.
is that it should be current.
No, wait. There's TempC in current. Go back.
Yeah. I'm just returning everything again. And let me try do this. So the current is the whole object.
Is the weather. Okay.
So this is gonna be like current, and then we're gonna have another data class which is also serializable data data class weather, and that one have current, which is of type current.
You need to add value.
Yeah. What I did, this is wrong. It should be like a constructor. Yeah. So let's hope that this will fix the serialization problem. Okay. Okay, TempC.
You need to go to weather.current.temp. Scroll down.
Correct. Yeah, correct. Current.temp c.toString. So for everyone who is joining us right now, we're trying
just to get the temperature. Why it's complaining here? It might be. Okay.
We're trying to build like a cross-platform app using Compose UI and Kotlin. Hey,
unbelievable!
And
on my
we are
phone,
very new. We are very new to the Kotlin. It's we know a little bit, but we are. I'm coming from a background like mobile development background, but more of React Native. I can finish the whole app in one session, but this is not what we want. We want to learn more about Kotlin Multiplatform and see how it works. And while we are doing this, we learn more about Kotlin itself and everything. Ismail is also like, he is more of a front end and React as well, a similar experience to mine. And this new thing this is a bit new to us, so we're very happy with the achievement we have so far. So if you have any question, or if you see that we are doing something wrong, please comment and tell us. We would really appreciate that. Okay, so let's take this and put it here, right? You know how to do concatenation here?
No,
um,
just like this.
I think we need to put this around. No? Is it like JavaScript? Yeah. So if it's like an object, it have to be like this. If it was like a symbol, yeah, you see, nice.
It starts with null, so why?
Yes, because we were loading, so we're gonna have like a loading.
Can you give it like an empty value, because we don't want it to start as null?
It's no, because
Null.
the object is everything is required. So if we want to give like something, we have to fill in all of this. So don't worry about that.
No, I mean in the go to the app screen itself. Yeah, on top, mutable state of.
No, we can't go here.
Can we here, for example, if there is a value like empty string, otherwise, you can do this?
Yeah. If I think it is done like wait, how can we do this? There's like try.
No, I'll tell you something. You can add, it's stupid solution, but you can add another value which is string, an empty string, and when you receive the data, you just assign it the whole thing. You understand? Like
I think there's
something no, not here, on top.
No, I'm just thinking about something else. I want to see how can we make this optional, like only do this when we have the weather already loaded. You know, so if the weather is not null, how can we say that? Can we do this? Like, I don't think so. I don't know if this would work.
Okay.
It's like JavaScript. Yeah. Okay.
There is now what's called content layout shift, so you will not get the full score on.
No, but we're gonna have.
Web.
Yeah, so we can remove this one. Okay, so where's the design? Remember the design? Our design. Let's find it. Figma design with our app here. And now let's try to fill in the remaining parts, right? So this is the design that we are trying to achieve. We have the icon. We still haven't figured how to do it yet. Let's put the perception. Precipitation. Okay. Is it part of the data? Or I don't know.
I think. By the way, also now the value is double, but we need it to be integer, because you now have it 1.0. It should be only 1. But I think this is another issue we can.
No, how can we do this? Let's see how can we do this. To fixed to int. Yeah, easy.
No, but then you need to string.
Correct. No, we don't, because it's concatenated.
Okay.
Okay, that looks nice. Do you think we should fix the logo, like the icon, or?
I think this is easy because we already have the codes, so we can do it actually. But you need to download all the icons and put it in resources. You already did that?
No, we only have one icon right now, which is this icon. So if you guys don't know the API, if we go back to the API here,
no, you can get it from the response. If you see.
I know. I just want to show this. This is the icon and also the code. So the code condition.code right now is 116, which is no, not 116. It's gonna be something like this. Let's see how, what is the value right now. So condition.code is 1213, and I do have another Figma file that have all the icons. So we said that it is 1213. So if we look around here, 121.
No, this is the code for the PNG.
Correct. It's the name of the file. It's like
Um,
326. Yeah, 326. And yeah, very very nice weather
by the
today.
way, like, go again to the response.
Yeah.
Uh, if we can remove actually the part before night, and then we can just like copy paste all the PNGs and try to
Yeah, I just want to download it first.
yeah.
Um, so we can
Can you
take,
download the whole?
yeah.
I think you can drag, yeah.
I'm a bit faster in the new. Okay. And then I would use like a PNG for now, maybe like 3x. I want it to be a bit large, maybe even more, 4x, and export all of this. Okay, and um, there's like window, right? Where is it? Okay, I'll put it here and then figure out how to copy that into the project. So we have everything. Can we do a paste here? What? Only one? Okay. Open, find.
Open in Finder.
Yeah,
Open in Files.
open in Finder,
Ah,
and then put everything. Yeah.
replace.
Okay. Just to be consistent. Yeah. Now. Oh.
Oops.
Okay. Now we need to change the this thing here. So instead of this, we need to find like extract the URL, the icon name from the URL, right?
Yeah. Create a class. Helper.
So
Helper function. Let's be functional.
no,
Let's not
it's
be
no,
not
no, no.
object oriented. Let's do functional program.
I will just move this up here. So we have this before everything, and then in if the weather dot current, and then dot condition dot icon, right? And then we do a replace. This is my implementation.
But it's
I replace all of this with
icon.
icons
I think yeah, it's icons
slash.
slash.
Yeah. Of course, we need to mismatch.
Because it requires at least a string. Can you assign it to a variable and then like in in JavaScript, like, or no, like the what's called double question mark?
val icon equal to there's a way to get this, and you do what's happening, sorry, what did happen? Yeah, you say would say this dot let, and then you do something, but not let, no. Okay, I know there's a way for Kotlin to do this. Kotlin, if someone know, please tell us. So Kotlin,
Sherlock's, if I'm saying your name correctly.
Yeah, there's something. There's a. I know this thing. This it's like they call it uh, elf's sign. Yeah, let's see.
It's like
Yeah,
your question mark to then then column.
yeah, yeah. So this is the only way. But this one,
No, no,
if
it's
it's
like this. I sent you a message.
like this, right?
What? Ah, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Can you try this?
But this means if it's available, right?
Yeah.
So if it's available, then we would say use Kotlin this dot icon dot replace, right?
No, 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 no. Here on top. No, no, on top. Make it an empty string. So if it's there, use it. If not, if I understand correctly, here should be like empty string, and then in, here on this line you just replace. No, no, no. You
Here,
use
I
the
know,
icon.
I know, I
No,
know.
the new value you could no.
What do you, we gonna need to replace the string here?
No, you need to replace it in the painter resource. So you take the icon, you take the val of the icon
Okay.
you just
I,
created.
I want to replace it here too because it doesn't make sense to replace it down there.
Yeah, icon, yes.
I don't like how this IDE trim trim the data. You see,
No,
I can see now. Yeah, I see now. So the painter.
why it's complaining now? Is there an extra?
Yeah, what is this modifier whether? Oh, this is the content description. Okay. And sometimes this is I see this is like a beta, you know. Sometimes it's you always there's see there's something there.
Okay.
So this means get the value or else use this.
Yeah. Try it. It's scanning, indexing. Oh, nice.
That was actually better than our expectations. But the size, is it good? Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, okay. So we got the icon, we get the temperature,
And
and
it's actually snowing, right?
it
Let
is
me see.
snowing. Yeah. Yeah. So I would like to use like change the API here to be like a view model instead, like a proper view model that matches what people actually do, not just a function, a suspend function.
Yeah, yeah.
And in order to do this, we need to use a new library.
This is what I was afraid of because adding a new library in Kotlin Multiplatform is
We can use the Moco view model. As you see, I was looking into this. Yeah.
Is this a documentation or is this a chat? Or...
This is this is the example here with the compose. Yeah. So first we need to find the version somehow.
There's no like explanation. There's no guide or documentation.
There is, of course, there is.
No,
But
scroll down in the repository itself. There is
no,
nothing.
no.
Oh,
This is like the default multi-platform because so Moco libraries, we have the Moco libraries, and we do have this MVVM, and there's some templates that we could actually look at. Yeah, this is Compose multi-platform. It might be the same repo. Yeah, it is the same repo, and this is the library that we're gonna use. And in order to install it, so first well, no, not all of this, only the core. So let's see. Let's try that. So first, we get the version, put it there. So maybe I don't know if this is the latest or not. We can use it. Maybe we can check that. And then the library itself, Moco core, which gonna be this module with the version reference equal to Moco. Did I do it with a single or double K? Single one. Let's make it double. Save and reload. And then in the Gradle file, yeah, this one. This is a common library, so we can put it in common. Yeah, common API. Yeah. So implementation libs dot
libs, not lobs.
yeah, moco dot core. Yeah, we need to resync again. And so how does it work? So first we're gonna change this into a view model, but first.
Yeah, I was just going to say like start
was-
a new
I
create
was-
a new file.
I was creating .ts.
Habit.
So I'll copy this, move it here. So we need the package name. So no, we don't need the package name. And it's just the proper imports. Yeah. Yeah. And then this one, we're gonna rename it to weather view model. And to create a view model, we need a state, right? And the state can be a data class. So weather view state, and it doesn't have anything, but it can have some states in it.
So this is a constructor or a data? There's no constructor here. You don't need how it's called, parentheses or
like this.
Or no?
You know what? Create a data class for a view state that have loading state and another state for data. I don't know. Yeah, nice. Okay, I like that, but we don't need this one. Yeah, but it's okay.
It's not weather data. It's weather.
I know, but that wasn't what I have in mind, but it will work. So we have a data class that we can use as a view, a view state, and now we need a view model. And if we look at one of the examples here, it's easier to see the example, right? We might actually have also the view state in there. Yeah, it doesn't have, but okay. So it extends view model from the library. So, and it's a regular class. So class weather view model, which extends.
Not extends, it's
colon,
colon.
view model. and that view model comes from there. Why it doesn't have it? That means we have a problem.
Or you didn't add the dependency because like every class is a dependency in
I
Kotlin.
did, but it looks, yeah, now it does. I don't know. We can add the import ourselves. Import this here.
I don't think you have this.
Yeah. No, we do MVV.
We have MVV core. Do you have the view model?
Okay, so in the build Gradle here, in the common dependency, where is it? This one here. We have resource and we need compose. Okay, we need this as well. So we might actually not need core. It's the view, the compose. We need this one. Yeah, this is the one that we need, not the API core. Okay, this one includes everything. So this is the one we need. So we're gonna change here to compose just to make it more, make sure that it matches, make it easier for our life in the future. We do this and reload to sync.
Did you change it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Why it's
I need to save. Yeah, Android Studio autosave. This doesn't autosave.
oh my god. Trash it.
Why?
Because of the version, maybe?
Details. It is successful. I think this is just yeah, we are not using this anymore. Okay, I want to.
No, it's.
I know, but I wanted to get it. It wasn't highlighted because I disabled the smart mode. Now it's on again. It should highlight it as a red, like a problem, and then we fix it with auto import.
Last time, yeah. Last time with Fleet. Next time with
No,
IntelliJ.
yeah.
Sorry, Android Studio. So
you see, I still have the problem. So we imported compose.
And why it's here API and not implementation? What is the difference?
Are you expecting an answer? I don't know. I don't know that I don't remember the difference. I know there's a difference between implementation and API, but I don't remember what was that. And API and the VM core get view model for compose multi-platform. Yeah, and they say API. You are correct. So it should be API, not implementation.
And you are sure that the version is correct?
Yeah. We could check very quickly and to see the published version in the center, maybe this one, 1.16.1, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, we have it now. It was API. Yeah, correct. So we extend this, and then we can create a state and like a local copy of the state, like a mutable state flow.
Okay, and it has also functions like actions, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna create like a mutable flow, and that flow is not an int, it's whether empty or null, and for now it is null.
No, whether state.
Actually, correct. Weather state. And
Or
we can,
should we need the weather state or just like define them separately in this view model? I don't know. Like have the weather and is loading as two separate variables in the model. You understand what I mean?
yeah, usually it's just one state that have everything, but we could have this like extended into different classes, and then you are sure that if it's loading, it doesn't have data. If it's have data, it is not loading.
So if I'm not mistaken, like this will hold, this is released like the global state, right? And now we only have
Yeah.
the weather data, right? So for example, if it's another application and we'd say like it's the theme, not theme, like yeah, is it dark or light theme? It should also be here in the same view state, right?
This is more of this view model and this view state. If we have like an
Yeah,
app,
so that's what I was asking. Like, should we have a single state, global state, or we can have multiple states?
we can have multiple states.
Independent.
Yeah, we should be able to have multiple states, which is easier for us right now. So weather state, weather view state, I'm gonna call it like view state, and it will have the value. So what we did here is that we exposed the value of the weather state, but exposed it as a read-only property, like a get-only get. And of course, yeah, this is not nullable. And it starts with a view model state where we have is loading but equal to true, right?
Why is there's two equal?
Yeah. And the data is null.
Ah, okay, nice.
So we start with a view state where we have a loading state and the data is null. And then we gonna have this function here. It's the same function. And we add it here. That function, what it does is that it updates the state and using equal dot, I think there's dot update, which give us the same object, and we can return a new copy. So it dot copy, and we do some changes. So is loading equal to false, and data equal to response, right?
Yeah, it was response.body dot something. I can't.
No, but whether was expected.
Yeah, you
Yeah, because correct. So val whether it was like response dot body as whether, right? Like this.
okay. But now the function shouldn't return weather, right?
Yeah, it shouldn't return weather, correct. We don't need this. Yeah. So now we have, and this is gonna be like refresh, maybe data.
Yeah.
Or like load, and give it a city, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should you have a function to control the loading? Oh, but okay, not.
It's
like if you want to refresh, it should. Now, right now, we don't get loading back. Like, sorry, not you don't make loading as. Yeah.
Correct. So this is gonna be like null and true. So we start with a
loading
state.
Sorry, but if you do this, can you only update the loading state and not the data? Because this way, what you're doing now, if you have the app, then suddenly the weather data will.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because I copy the old object. We have the old object data, so we.
Yeah. Okay.
We take this with us. I don't know if we can actually remove this, so it will always have the old one. Yeah. We don't need to set it again. Now we need to instead of this weather, we gonna load it from the view model. And in order to create a view model from the screen, we call this get view model. So no, remember, it's more of like get view model, and this get view model will get
This is by. You still need the by.
yeah. We're gonna have like a factory get view model. Wait, get view model. Yeah, factory view model factory, and this one return the view model, which is weather view model, a new one. This, what is the problem? Not resolved. Yeah, and ambiguous resolution. Do we have multiple view models? Maybe it need like a key. No, I think because this one thing, and they usually have this key. Maybe this is important. Weather type weather model has no method get value. Yeah, it's as you said. State equal to.
I love state.
And in the launch here, we're gonna say like state dot load. Right now it's Berlin. That's fine. Yeah, we can make it val, and then we're gonna change this so if it is loading, if state dot what is view state. Okay, yeah, so this is the view model.
Okay.
And then val state equal to view model dot view state. So in the view model we call load, but in the state we have is loading. No?
Dot value maybe.
Yeah, so this is what I was saying. Like, correct. So you would say collect as a state. You collect the state as this, and then you have the state. That's correct. And then is loading is there. So if is loading, we could have something. I don't know if we can say like return. Yeah, return column. Else, we can have everything, and this is the state, right?
Dot weather.
Dot data. Dot current. Oh, data can be null, so we need to have this. So weather dot data.
You don't need this actually, but you don't. This is the black one. You don't need the below text is actually not needed.
This one?
No, the other one.
This one?
Yeah. This is a small black.
No. This is the actual one.
This is the big one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I already removed the other one. Okay, so let's run again to see if everything works fine. Using the view model. I think there's a problem. Cannot access serializable. Did we forget to add serializable there? I remember why it is like this.
What happened with the auto import? Like
I don't know.
Yes. Yeah.
No. Yeah. Okay.
Sometimes I feel it's very stupid.
Failed.
Failed in 1 second. This is a
That's
news.
fast. That's good. We have a problem here. I think that might be the this
Return
thing.
column.
Yeah.
Can you just return a text box saying loading?
Wait. I think there's another thing. We have an open parenthesis.
Oh,
That gonna be hard to find, right? So if it's closed, this one is this column. No. Yeah. Now it should be fine.
where is prettier when you need it?
Nice.
Wow,
It's -1 now.
it's getting colder.
But at least now we have more of like a proper, view model with
Can
the
you?
proper
Yeah,
data.
I know it's loading like very fast, but can we say like loading and then we cannot mimic a slow connection, right?
I don't know. But yeah, we could, if you want to have like a loading text, we can copy this and put like loading here. And everything, we can keep everything as it is.
You don't need to. Do you
No,
still?
we need. Yeah, we can add else statement, but index 5, what is that?
Big fat error.
You know what? Do we do else like regular else?
Okay. Oh wow!
Maybe instead of a
Now
string,
we can really publish to the App Store.
do you have like activity indicator? Like, is it called activity indicator? No, loading.
Loading state.
What is loading? No, busy indicator. What's the name of the component? Compose UI activity indicator. Progress indicator. Okay. Progress. No. Circular progress indicator.
Okay.
And is there like intermittent or like a mode? No. Does it need anything?
Just try it like this.
Yeah. No.
Oh, you see it? Did you see?
No. Did you see it?
Yeah, it was on top left.
Ah, okay, yeah, because of
Nice.
the primary color.
I think you can just align it horizontally and
So
centrally.
it have color, which can be colors.white, colors.
Wasn't like material dot something.
We do have the colors somewhere else. We use the color. Yeah, color, not colors. Color dot white. We can also I don't know, increase it. Why not? Put it in the middle. So like align horizontal using the modifiers. Yeah, we're faster than that thing. And then, yeah. Let's see how it looks like now. I think we're good. We achieved a really good progress so far.
Oh, nice.
It's 0 now. Yeah, it's increased.
I'm already feeling very hot. It's because of our progress. Like it's getting hot.
It's the processing from my machine.
You're contributing to global warming. Yeah.
I am trying to. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think that's it. We do have a good progress so far. Maybe we can plan for next time, which might be adding some more design components. Maybe think about this thing here and highlight the current day. Maybe we have like future. I don't know. Do you think we should go with this, or this is for now? This is what we needed, right? So we know how to build a UI, how to create an API call, how to parse it into JSON, how how to have a proper view model. Maybe next time we think about something else, like a more complex solution.
You don't want to like finish everything, like adding the. We want to have screens.
Navigation, correct? Yeah.
Yeah. So not
Okay.
sure what screen, but like at least we need to add some settings. Like choose your location, or not get your location, just enter your city. We want to be it
Or
as simple as possible. Yeah.
like the degrees. Is it Celsius or
Celsius, or Fahrenheit. Yeah.
Fahrenheit? So okay, cool.
Cool.
So, folks, thanks for tuning in. See you next week at the same time, every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Berlin time zone, or like Central European time zone, which is like around 1 hour, 20 minutes before now. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you all.
Bye.
Bye.